for today, I will be unboxing this Spellbinder Glimmer hat foil machine, and I'm really excited. So this box is not quite heavy actually, so you can see there's a feature. There are features that are located outside of the box, and also what to expect inside the box. So there it is, and also it says that this machine needs a embossing machine or die cutting machine so that it can be used properly. Okay, so let's open this box, and as you can see, it is well packed, okay, for the protection of the tools or the machines. Okay, so there it is. And we are going to remove the plastics of this parts of the machine. So number one here, we will be removing the plastic of this one. This is a magnetic pickup tool. You can use this one to for getting the plate when it's hot, so it's easy for you to remove it. Okay, so this is the base plate that we need. Actually, it's a very light board, and it has also a mat. Okay, it seems very fine to me. Next are the cables or the wires that we need to plug into the electricity. So I guess this one, I will be needing this one, and the other one is, I don't have an outlet for this. Okay, so I will be putting it back to the plastic and save it for future use. These two foiled rolls are gold and in silver color. It's included in the package, so I'll be using this for foiling. And these are the plates and the dies also included in the kit or the package. It comes with 2-liter plates. These are nice, so it says happy birthday and a frame, oval frame. And it includes this tin shims, or tin shim, I mean. Okay, and this one is a silicone cooling pad. So if the glimmer plates are hot, so you can put it there. And this one is a acrylic spacer pad. This is the instruction manual of the machine. Okay, it has this coupon, I think. You need to register this online so that you can also receive a $5 off discount. Okay, so this manual is so easy to use. So you can see here the important safety precautions, the warnings, the important notices, and also includes the contents, what to expect here, and how to use with glimmer plates, with wafer thin dies, and also on how to letterpress. Okay, so there are tips, and if you have any question to it, so this is the Glimmer hot foil machine. It's very cheap, so light. This is the switch, so you can press it like that, and then this one is where you put your cable, and you have to plug it there and plug it to your electric outlet. Okay, and there's the small buttons there with the start button, and also you can see the lights as indicator. So this is the plate that we need. You have to preheat it first, and be careful because the plate is very hot actually, and make an extra precaution of course. So for today, I'll just show you on how to layer those materials that we need. So these are the magnet, okay, on how to lift it up when it's hot. So you need a glimmer plate. Put it there first, and then put your hot foil or the foil that you want to use. Make sure that the shiny part is down below. Okay, and then put the paper that you will be using for your art project, and then put the thin sling, and this one the acrylic plate. Okay, so just remove the hot plate. Okay, and run it to your embossing machine like Big Shot. Okay, so that's it. So I have here, I purchased also 2 types of glimmer plates. These are also Spellbinders. These sets and the machine were purchased from my little attic of Neslinet. Okay, so head on to her shop if you want to know more, or also if you want to purchase this type of machine. That's all for my unboxing experience. So my next premiere will be on how to use it properly. So I'll make a video on how to use it properly. So thank you very much for watching everyone. God bless.